is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you guys are having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based on the teachings from Neville Goddard. So today I want to talk about removing guilt and accepting the truth. Removing guilt and accepting the truth. Imagination creates all reality. Neville Goddard teaches us that we must live in the end and that we must persist in that assumption. So he says that we must assume the person that we wish to be and then carry that assumption with us throughout the day. So have you ever found yourself not being able to live in the end? Maybe you found it that you are feeling guilty or like you don't deserve certain things. Maybe you tried many manifesting techniques, but when you did, you still felt guilty deep down inside. But if you feel this way, it's okay because you can actually change the state that you're in. So the state that you're in is guilt. And you're only feeling guilty because you're occupying that state, but you can change it. So what you need to do is you need to mentally adjust a few things and focus on what you really want in life. So remember that where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So today we're going to focus on placing our attention on the things that we do want, which allows that guilt within us to disappear and allows us to move into a different, more loving, and a more desirable state. Whenever you made up your mind and you know that you don't want to feel guilty anymore, then the universe is going to make it happen. So anything you desire and you wish for and you assume to be, the universe is going to meet you halfway. So whenever you have a desire for something and it doesn't hurt this person, it doesn't take away from that person, then you shouldn't feel guilty for having that desire. Maybe you were born and you didn't have a lot of things. Maybe you grew up poor. You were told that having a lot of these things were bad. Maybe you were told that you have to work really, really hard and sweat all the time and, give the maximum physical efforts in order for you to get these results. But that's not true. We do learn a lot of lessons in life that teach us and take us to the next level, but you don't have to suffer. You do not have to suffer. So you have to accept the truth that you can have anything you believe in. So adjust your mindset and accept this truth that all you have to do is ask, believe, and receive. And remember, where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So you want to start saying some affirmations, maybe doing some things that are going to help you and remind you of your self-worth. Because if you have a desire for something and you feel guilty every time that you want to manifest that, you're going to manifest more situations that are going to make you feel guilty. So adjust your mindset and practice little by little having these inner conversations, telling yourself, I am worthy, I do deserve this, and then place all your attention on that. Make that the focal point, and then allow the universe to manifest with you. Allow the universe to bring you those great things you've always wanted and the things that you actually deserve. Whenever you feel guilty, you're actually manifesting more events in your life that make you feel guilty. Remember, where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So if you want to move to a different state and occupy that one, you've got to adjust your mindset. Change your mindset. So you're going to tell yourself, I am worthy. You're going to look in the mirror each day and say, I am worthy, I am worthy, I am worthy. You're going to write down 10 massive goals that seem completely impossible. You're going to start going to the gym, take care of your body, your health. Maybe you want to start meal prepping. Maybe you want to start your own business. So after work each day, you're going to take 1 to 2 hours each day, that's it, and dedicate it towards your own business. So now you have these goals that you made for yourself. You want to increase your self-worth. So now you want to dedicate 30 to 90 days on these goals and then watch how your life begins to change. Now, as you do this and carry yourself in a different manner, you're going to start to feel a little bit better. And then when you persist that assumption and live in the end, although you may not see all the results right away, you actually start to remove that guilt from your subconscious mind, and it's going to allow you to feel better, to receive love, to give love, and you become open to receive all the things that you're meant for, all the things that you wish for, all the things that you didn't think were possible. So increase your self-worth by trying these techniques. Make a list, go to the gym, start meal prepping, work on your own business, and accept this truth that you can have anything you believe in. If others can have it, why not you? Why not you? How are you supposed to become the best version of you if you're feeling guilty? That'll never happen. If you can't assume the person that you wish to be, you're never going to have the things that you wish for. So what you want to do is you want to change your attitude. You want to change your mindset and your inner conversations. What kind of speech are you telling yourself? Are you telling yourself that you are worthy? Or are you telling yourself that you're not worthy? It doesn't matter where you grew up. It doesn't matter your past. It doesn't matter your environment. All you have to do is ask, believe, and receive. So you want to train yourself every single day to become the best version of you. And you can do this by create some affirmations that make you feel good. Maybe start a vision board. Maybe you get a notepad, notebook, start scripting your goals. Maybe you start creating and constructing some imaginal scenes. Maybe you can ask a friend that you love and trust to imagine for you, but you just gotta move. You just gotta move. So in order for you to remove these blocks and this guilt from your subconscious mind, you have to believe in yourself. And once you start to believe in yourself and start to take action, you're actually believing in God, because you are God. So take 30 to 90 days and prove to yourself how limitless you are. I want you to focus on your goals and remember who you are. Life is good. Life is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to upload videos every Thursday. Stay tuned for my next video, meditation. Meditation. If this video does resonate with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.